Hello, dear students. Welcome once more to LeadX YouTube channel. Today we shall begin our lessons and we are going to discuss about center of gravity in applied mathematics, or what we generally call maths with mechanics. So what's center of gravity? The center of gravity of a system is that unique point within that system where the force of gravity or the overall weight of that system appears to act. And the center of mass is that unique point within that system where the total mass of that system appears to be concentrated. So we shall see how to evaluate the center of gravity of a finite number of particles. Here we have four particles of masses m1, m2, m3, and m4 placed at 4 points a1, a2, a3, and a4. And at those points we have their different weights acting. So within this system of four particles, there is a unique point within them that we call G. That point is called their center of gravity. At that point G, the overall weight mt total, mt appears to act where the overall mass mt, that's m total, is concentrated. So this whole system is identical to this unique point G with total mass mt. So how do we get a position vector of G? Simply, we are going to apply moments. We take moments about the origin. So the sum of moments of each of these forces will be equal to what? It will be equal to the moment of the weight, the total weight about the origin also. So sum of moments here is the weight times the position vector. So sum of weights times the position vectors equals to the weight at G times its own position vector. So the gravitational field strength G simplifies out, and then we have a sum from 1 to 4 of masses times position vectors equals to that. So from there we can get that the position vector of G is a sum of masses times position vectors all over sum of masses, or total mass. So we can generalize our result that if we have n masses like 10, 20, 30, then the position vector of their center of gravity will be the sum of their different masses times their individual position vectors all over their total mass. What did I say again? That OG is sum of masses times position vectors all over total mass. Now let's get an example. If we have particles of masses 5 kg, 7 kg, 12 and 15 placed at 4 points respectively at these points, then we are asked to find the position vector of their center of gravity. Simply we apply the formula. It is the sum of masses times position vectors all over total mass. So mass times its position vector, the same thing, 4 times, all over the sum of the different masses of all the 4 masses. That simplifies to give us that result. Now we are told at what point should a 10 kg mass added to this system be placed so that the center of gravity will be at 8.5. So here we simply consider the initial system as equivalent to a unique mass, a total mass of 39 kg. That means that all these masses combined acting at what point, or concentrated at what point? At the center of gravity. So a total mass of 39 kg at their center of gravity with our new mass of 10 kg at an unknown point. So the center of gravity of this new system is the point 8.5. So we apply the formula once more. 8.5 OG will be equal to the mass times the position vector plus the 10 kg times its unknown position vector, which we shall call here OP, right? Assuming that P is a point all over the sum of the masses. So from there we cross multiply and then we make OP the subject, then we solve for OP. OP gives us a point 47.223. Then once more exercise example, we have masses of this and this placed at point with position vectors that and that, and we are told that the center of gravity is at the point negative I plus AJ. Let's find the values of the constants A, M, and A. So simple. We apply once more the formula. OG is sum of masses times position vectors all over total mass. So we put G. This is our G. So we put it here. Then each mass times its own position, right? Even M all over sum of masses. Then from there, we simply cross multiply, we add the vectors together, we compare, we equate corresponding entries, and then we solve for A and the M. M gives 2, while A gives 15 on 14. So just to keep you busy, here you have an assignment which you are going to solve. You have an assignment which you are going to solve. So the first question, the second question, here are the values or the answers that you are expected to have. If you solve and you have these answers, then you clap for yourself and you smile for LeadX. So thank you once more. I wish you the best. Please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video if it was really helpful to you. So subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss the upcoming videos. Bye bye.